G'day, this is Jason here from Forex and Forex UTurn. Today is November the 10th, 2011, and we're looking at the setups here. Here is our 10 o'clock GMT, as you can see. Which is 3 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, we basically opened up in here in the Dublin Open here at 2 o'clock. Came down, went up, came down, made it look like they're going to take it down, and they just took it right on up, baby. Woohoo! Anyway, so we're not, holy jeez. I'm stuttering here. Okay, let me try and say that again. Right here, it was, was our ideal entry right here was the gap separation perfectly. Came right back into the trigger line. But at that point in time, okay, look down here. The filter was black. Okay, the filter was black down here. So there was no entry there. Okay, but once we came up again and came back down and almost went and kissed that trigger line, the filter was blue, I believe, at that time. Let's move the line and see. Yeah, it just had turned blue. Okay? So anyway, there, put that back. You could have got in here, okay, but there was a problem with this as well. Okay, and I'll show you. There was old man resistance very, very close by. Right here, it kind of bounced off there. So, it wasn't your best ideal time to trade there either. But once we broke through this resistance and came up and then came down, this would have been your ideal pullback entry, first entry. Okay, to play it 100% perfectly safe. And sure enough, within 20 minutes or so, it shot up like a rocket again and made new highs. As you can see, right up in here. Okay, so that's about all the trades you could have done. If you did it here, just thinking, well, it's going to go up. Well, you got in good here. But this was our entry right here at 4:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. Then we came into this retracement here. Okay, went up. Okay, then right in here, which was at 14:20, which is 7:20 a.m. in the morning, it bounced off of resistance here and came back down. But sure enough, it shot up again. So your next ideal entry would have been somewhere right in here, which was in the 8 o'clock. But I wouldn't have done that trade either because big news was coming out, which didn't really do much in the market, and it just hit its top at 36.50 and turned around and came down. Okay, so anyway, there was dips here if you were brave to buy them, but news was in the way. Okay, let's move on now to the 1 minute time frame, and we'll scroll back in time. It's right there. Okay, so in this deal, our ideal entry would have been, here was an entry. No, actually it wasn't. It bounced off support there. Once it broke through there, yes, then we're looking for our entry. So basically, right in here somewhere, we would have looked to sell it, or even here, and down it came. Would have made some pips there, 10 pips for sure. There was no buying in here because the filter was red. Time is this at? This was near our end of opportunity of holy jeez Louise. It was near the end of our window of opportunity right here. But you could have bought a dip right here and up she went. You would have made your 10 pips for sure. But you couldn't here because the filter did not line up. Okay. Or here. So you got one trade in here and one trade in here. So you could have made 20 pips or more on the Euro USD 1 minute. So let's go now to the pound. See what our friend the pound did. Oh, it just grinded sideways here, eh? Miserably. Miserably. And then, look at this. Look at this right here, ladies and gentlemen. You wouldn't have got in on this one, even though it was the perfect gap size. The filter was blue, pulled right back into the trigger line, but look what it bounced off of. Support, or resistance. So you had to wait for it to break through resistance. Now, it's scary as hell when you're here and it just broke through a few pips and you go, well, you know, is this the top or is it going to go higher? You know, we all wish we had an indicator that could tell us right here whether it was going to go up to here. But we don't have this, no such indicator. So once it broke up through, then it pulled back. Here was your opportunity to buy right here, okay? Which it definitely did within 15 to 20 minutes. Just like the euro, I believe, is the same deal. Probably the same time. Let's take a look. 1505. Right here, that's 1505. There it is, right there, 1505. Yeah, same time as the euro before the news. But sure enough, it shot up and would have give you some pips. Okay, buying a dip. 31 pips to the top. Then we did a U-turn up here. Okay, the filter did not line up. Didn't even tell you what to do till down here, but still, I wouldn't have sold this retracement here because it bounced off of this support. See? Ding, ding, ding. They always find the nearest thing. There's always these high-risk traders who will buy it right here. As soon as price hits here, from these past 2 points of today, they'll buy it here. And, you know, sometimes it works for them, where it'll just shoot right back up. And other times it won't, and it'll crash down and it'll take them out. But of course, their stop is small. You know, their stop is here. They're hoping they're going to get a big reversal win and get in on the bottom. That's support. And resistance traders, they buy off of support and they sell off of resistance. And never, ever forget that, please, ladies and gentlemen. It is not the opposite. So don't let any other traders try and tell you otherwise, okay? You know, if you're doing a breakout, okay, you're doing a breakout, but you're not, your whole intention is not to sell at the bottom and buy near the top, okay? Okay, let's move on to the Swissy. Okay, Swissy. All we could basically do is sell some rallies into the trigger line all the way down. As when it did line up for our opportunity, it was 10 minutes before 3 o'clock, and the filter was black. And that's pretty much it for that. Now let's take a look at the Euro USD. Forex UTurn, I should say. Not looking so good, ladies and gentlemen. Again, it did a flip-flop fake out here. It made it look like they were taking it down. And well, if you sold here, you know, at 35, well, it just soon quickly came up and took you out. And then it created a W here, and it went up here, but not much, and it's coming back down again. So it's not a pretty sight here today. And on the pound, oh, what a mess on the pound. Holy jeez Louise. This was not a buy. This was not, you know, this was a sell, I guess. Same thing. Went up and got your stop right here. There was no buying up here. This was no formation here. And now we have an M again to go down. So, you know, if you did sell it, well, you made a few pips here. And, you know, that's pretty much it for the setups. Once again, I'd just like to say that, you know, in a very short time, I'll be coming out with my new strategy, and I hope all of you will take the opportunity to give it a try. It's really refreshing, like I said before. There's no moving averages. There's no filters, histograms in the bottom like PipSnager and Forex UTurn. Okay, it's just basically using price, the power of price, and just some key levels to buy and sell off of with a very, very unique entry that I've never seen before. And I don't know if maybe there's traders out there who do trade like this, but I've never heard about it from anybody. It's my own little unique thing that I believe I came up with. And I hope you're really going to enjoy this and rocking the pips without using lagging indicators. Okay, so thanks for listening today. You have a great day. And oh, that's right. Tomorrow is Friday. It's Remembrance Day. I think it's going to be a pretty quiet day in the market. So if it's not so quiet, if it's very quiet, I won't send the setups. But if it is, you know, kind of volatile anyway, I'll send them out to you. But I myself, I'm probably not planning to trade tomorrow, as I think it's going to be a very dull, ranging, going nowhere day. And as my friend Vladimir Robokov says, well, where's price going, Vladimir? Oh, it's going right, he says. Meaning it's not going up, it's not going down, it's just going right. Going up and down in a small range, right. So anyway, that's what I expect or anticipate for tomorrow. Thanks for listening. You have a great day.